Hello, hello. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. I am Alex.
And I am Sora. We are so happy to see you again here on Ready Talk.
This is the place where we have easy, friendly conversations to help you practice your English. We talk about real things so you can learn real words.
That's right. And if you want to support us, please take a moment to click the subscribe button below. It really helps our small channel grow.
Don't forget to hit the bell icon too. That way you will be the first to know when we have a new talk ready for you.
Today, we are talking about something very important, but we will try to keep it light. Are you ready, Alex?
I'm ready, Sora. Let's get started. So, Sora, did you go for a walk this morning? The weather looks quite nice.
I did. I went to the park near my house. But to be honest, I was a bit disappointed.
Why is that? Was it raining?
No, it wasn't raining, but the sky wasn't blue. It was gray. And not cloudy gray, more like dirty gray.
Ah, I see. You were talking about the smog.
Exactly. I could smell the smoke from the cars and the factories. It made me think about our topic for today, air pollution.
It is a big problem in many cities around the world. When the air is dirty, it is hard to breathe, and it isn't good for our health.
I remember when we were children, Alex. I feel like the sky was bluer back then. Or am I just getting old?
Well, you are getting older, Sora, but you are also right. There are many more cars on the road now than when we were kids.
That's true. Every time I see a big bus or a truck blowing out black smoke, I want to hold my breath.
Me too. It's like a giant monster breathing on you.
So, for our friends listening at home, let's explain simply, what causes air pollution?
Well, there are a few main reasons. The first one is transportation. Cars, motorcycles, buses, and airplanes all burn fuel. When they burn fuel, they release gas and tiny particles into the air.
Right, and in big cities, there are millions of cars. That is a lot of gas. What else?
Factories are another big reason. They produce the things we buy, like clothes and electronics, but they also release a lot of smoke.
I also read that burning trash is a problem in some places. Instead of recycling, people just burn their waste and that smoke goes straight into our lungs.
Exactly. And in some countries, farmers burn their fields to prepare for the next season. It creates a huge haze that can travel for miles.
Haze is a good word. It's like a thin smoke that covers everything. It makes my eyes itch and my throat feel dry.
Me too. Last week, I wore a mask when I went outside. Not because I was sick, but because the air quality index was very high.
Oh, the AQI. I check that on my phone every morning now, just like I check the weather.
It's funny, isn't it? We check to see if it's safe to breathe outside.
It's a bit sad, actually. I want to go outside and feel the fresh air, but sometimes the air isn't fresh at all.
Okay, let's not be too sad. Let's talk about what we can do. We are just two teachers, but we can make small changes, right?
Definitely. For example, I stopped driving my car to the supermarket. Now I use my bicycle.
That is great exercise, Sora, and no smoke. I have started using the public bus more often. If 30 people ride one bus, that is 29 fewer cars on the road.
That is a great way to think about it. Also, have you seen the new electric cars?
I have. They're so quiet. Sometimes they scare me because I don't hear them coming.
Yes, they're like ninjas on the road, but they're much better for the air because they don't have an exhaust pipe.
I want to buy an electric car, but they are still a bit expensive. For now, I'll just walk more. It's free.
Walking is the best. And what about at home? I heard that planting trees helps.
Yes, trees are like the lungs of our planet. They take in the dirty carbon dioxide and give us clean oxygen.
I have 5 plants on my balcony now. I call them my mini forest.
Does your mini forest have a name?
Yes, I call the biggest one Big Green. He is working very hard to clean my air.
Good job, Big Green. We should all have a Big Green in our homes.
What about electricity, Alex? Does using less power help the air?
Yes, it does. In many places, electricity is made by burning coal. Burning coal creates a lot of pollution.
Oh, I see. So if I turn off the lights when I leave the room, I'm actually helping the sky stay blue.
Exactly. And using the air conditioner less helps too. I know it's hot, but sometimes a simple fan is enough.
I will remember that. I'll use a fan and open the window. Well, only if the AQI is good.
True. Another thing is buying less stuff. Everything we buy has to be made in a factory and shipped on a truck.
That's a good point. If we reuse our things and recycle, we don't need the factories to work so hard.
It's all connected. It feels like a big problem, but if everyone does one small thing, the air will get better.
You know, Alex, I had a funny experience yesterday related to this.
Tell me.
I saw a man in the park with a giant machine on his back. It was making a lot of noise and blowing out smoke. I thought, oh no, he is polluting the park.
And what was he doing?
I walked up to him to complain, politely, of course, but then I saw what he was doing. He was using a leaf blower to clean up the trash so the park would look beautiful.
So he was cleaning and polluting at the same time.
Exactly. I didn't know what to say. I just said, "Have a nice day," and walked away very fast.
Sometimes we try to help, but the tools we use aren't very green. Maybe he should use a broom next time.
A broom is much quieter and better for the air. I should have given him a broom for a present.
If our students want to talk about this in English, what are some key word phrases they should know?
I think air quality is very important. You can ask, "How is the air quality today?"
And breathe. Remember, it's a verb. It is difficult to breathe when there is a lot of smoke.
Also, environmentally friendly or green. We can say, using a bicycle is more environmentally friendly than driving a car.
Those are great words. It's a serious topic, but talking about it helps us find solutions together.
And it's a great way to practice cause and effect sentences in English. For example, because there are many cars, the air is dirty.
Look at you, Sora, always the teacher, even when we're just chatting.
I can't help it, Alex. I love my students.
Well, I think the air is looking a bit clearer now. Or maybe it's just because I'm talking to you.
That's so sweet, Alex. But you're right, our time is up for today.
We hope you enjoyed this conversation about air pollution. We hope you learned some useful words and had a little fun, too.
What about you? Is the air clean in your city? What do you do to help the environment?
Please leave a comment below. We love to read your stories. It makes us feel like we're all in one big classroom together.
If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up. It helps more people find Ready Talk.
And if you haven't yet, click that subscribe button. Join our family here on the channel.
Thank you for listening and for practicing your English with us. Every minute you listen, you're getting better.
Stay healthy, breathe deep when the air is clean, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Goodbye.